Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we are going to solve one of the problem based on binomial distribution. Check whether the following data follow a binomial distribution or not. Okay, let us see the statement. The mean of binomial distribution is 3 and variance is 4. What is our question? We are going to give the conclusion. The conclusion means what? This statement satisfies binomial distribution or not. Okay, let us see how to solve the problem. What is given? So the given statement is what? The mean of what? The mean of binomial distribution is what? 3. That means what? NP value is 3. Okay, and also the given variance of the variance of binomial distribution is what? 4. That means what? NPQ equal to 4. Okay. What is our question is comment the following statement, which means the statement is correct or not. How to verify the given statement is correct or not? We have to identify what? P plus Q. Okay, find P value and Q value. Based on that value, we need to justify the given statement is what? Correct or not. Okay, so you consider this is equation number 1. So this is equation number 2. Okay, let us recollect what is binomial distribution concept. Okay, so binomial distributions means they given two parameters. One is n comma, another one is p. Okay, and also p plus q. What is p plus q? Is always 1. So what is mean by p? P is nothing but number of success. Q is nothing but number of failures. If you add number of success plus failures is always what? Equal to 1. And also the number of failures is always what? It lies between 0 to 1 only. So if you find the q value by using these two equation, your q value is always lies between 0 to 1. Therefore, the given statement is correct. Otherwise, it is wrong. Okay. So from equation number 1. So from equation 1 and 2, we can write this what? NPQ equal to 4. This is equation number 2. Using equation 1, we are going to write 3q equal to 4. Right. So therefore q equal to what? 4 by 3. It is always greater than 1. It is not less than 1. Okay, so what is q? Q always what? 0 less than, q less than only. But here your q value is what? 4 by 3. It is always greater than 1. Okay, so therefore we give the conclusion. What is our conclusion is the given data is what? The given data is cannot be determined, otherwise cannot be find. Okay, find a binomial distribution because what? Because q being a probability of what? Probability of an event. Okay, so an event q 0 less than, q less than 1. But here what is our q? Q is what? 4 by 3. It is greater than 1. Therefore the given statement is wrong. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.